Hi, I'm David Maxwell. I'm a manufacturing analyst with Viewrail. Today I'd like to answer a few questions about rod rail installation that our customers have asked. There are two types of deburring you may have to do. One is on the outside diameter of the rod, the other is on the inside diameter. To do the outside diameter, simply hold the grinding wheel in your hand and twist the rod against the surface of the grinding wheel. To do the ID, use a supplied file and go inside and just file it down, and all you're trying to do is get it to where your coupler or your threaded insert can insert into the rod. The rod coupler is very easy to use. You slide it in one end of one rod and you split the difference. You put it halfway in, apply your crimp, again 3/16 of an inch back from the end of the rod. Then you repeat the process with the other side. Again, slide the rod on, meet the other rod, and crimp 3/16 of an inch back from the meeting of those two rods. The reason you need a rubber glove is to hold the rod steady while you're tightening at that end. When you're first tightening, if you're tightening at one end, the other end can spin and it becomes very frustrating. Just simple use of a rubber glove will hold it and make it very, very easy to do. The reason you polish rod is to remove any contamination that has been placed on the outside of that rod prior to using sealant to finish the application.